Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn Standard 10 Subject Maths 1 Chapter number 2 Quadratic Equations. In that today we are going to study about applications of quadratic equations. We know the method of solving quadratic equations. There are three methods. First method is factorization method, second method is completing square method, and third method is formula method. We have already seen such type of examples in last lectures. Today, applications of quadratic equations. We know quadratic equations are useful for arising some problems in our day-to-day life. For solution of those examples, means those word problems in our day-to-day life, we can solve these examples like now in practice set 2.6. Let us see some examples in how to solve word problems. In that word problem, first of all we have to read carefully the given question, then understand some conditions given in that question. Some unknown identities are there. For those unknown identities we have to take or assume an alphabet for variable, as a variable, any one variable for that, and then by using given conditions we have to form a mathematical equation, and then we have to convert the given mathematical equation into a quadratic equation. Then second step is we have to solve that quadratic equation by using these three methods. We can use any one of them, and then find the value of a variable, and then third step is write the solution of the given quadratic equation as a word problem. Means word problem is there, therefore we have to write the solution as in one sentence also. Write the given answer in one sentence. Then let us see an example for that. Practice set 2.6. Example number 1 is product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Then find her present age. Means we have to understand the problem first, read carefully, and then we have to know which are unknown identities. Unknown identity is we don't know the age of Pragati, therefore we have to assume present age of Pragati. Let us assume that let present age of Pragati is, suppose it is x years. Now which are the conditions given in problem? First condition is Pragati's age 2 years ago, means before 2 years, what is the age of Pragati? Pragati's age 2 years ago, means before 2 years, what was the age of Pragati? It is today's age of Pragati, means present age of Pragati is x years. Before 2 years it is minus 2, means x minus 2 years, means before 2 years or 2 years ago Pragati's age was x minus 2 years. Now second condition is 3 years hence. What is the Pragati's age? What will be the age of Pragati hence? Hence means after 3 years. Pragati's age 3 years hence. Hence means after 3 years. What will be the age of Pragati after 3 years? Today or present age of Pragati is x years. After 3 years means she will be plus 3. Means x plus 3 years. After 3 years, Pragati's age will be x plus 3 years. Now the condition is given that product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. This is the given condition. Now by given condition, from given condition we have to frame a mathematical equation by using these steps. 2 years ago Pragati's age was x minus 2 years, and 3 years hence means after 3 years her age will be x plus 3 years, and product of these two means into multiplication of these 2 years is 84. This is given condition. This is the mathematical equation. Now we have to convert the given mathematical equation into a quadratic equation. Then solve the given equation. X into x, then we get x square, x into 3 is plus 3, 3x minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 3 minus plus minus 3 2 is 6 equal to 84. Therefore x square plus 3x and minus 2x is plus x minus 6. 84 comes to LHS side, it will become minus 84 equal to 0. Now x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is minus 90 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by using any three of our methods: factorization method, completing square method, or formula method. The factorization method, we can use factorization method. First term x square, coefficient of x square is 1 into 90 minus 90, it is minus 90, 90 ones are 90, means product of two numbers. Factorization method, product of two numbers will be minus 90 and subtraction of those two numbers will be plus 1. Which are the numbers? Can you identify the numbers? Yes, please. Okay, I will tell you. These plus 10 and minus 9. Then split the middle term. Middle term is 1x, that is minus 90. 10 into minus 9 is minus 90, plus minus minus, and 10 9s are 90, and 10 minus 9 is 1. And split the middle term as 10x and 9x. X square plus 10x and minus 9x, means 10x minus 9x becomes plus 1x, minus 90 is equal to 0. Now make two groups and find common terms. X square plus 10x, there is common x, x common, remaining term is x plus remaining term is 10 in second term, minus 9 and 90 are both are divisible by 9, therefore 9 is common. Again remaining term is x, and minus minus becomes plus, minus plus minus, and 9 tens are 90, 9 tens are 90 is equal to 0. Now x plus 10, this is one factor, and remaining terms in second bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. These are two factors, x plus 10 and x minus 9. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 10 goes to RHS side, it will become minus 10, or x is equal to minus 9 goes to RHS side, it will become plus 9. Means x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But we have to find out the present age of Pragati. And we know age of anybody is never negative. Here x is equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is not possible. Age of anybody will not be minus 10 years. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 9, means value of our variable x is 9, and we have to write the answer in word or in a sentence. Then we assume that present age of Pragati is x years. Therefore, present age of Pragati is x, that is 9 years. Got it, all of you? Some only 3 steps are there, word problems are there, applications of quadratic equations. Let us assume unknown identity, assume it as a variable, then frame a mathematical equation, then form a quadratic equation, solve the quadratic equation and find the value of a variable, and then write the answer in a sentence. Got it, all of you? Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you very much.